So, in today's class, we will discuss more about data analysis thing or exploratory data analysis. And from the next class, we are starting with graphs, right? So today we will cover all the data analysis part in terms of codes or how to do that. In the next class, we need to learn how to visualize the data with the help of graphs, right? And there are two things, Ryan. We can easily visualize all the descriptive statistics with graph using Orange. Now, Orange is another software, uh, obviously the extension of Python per se, where we are not required to run codes, right? So there are two ways to dealt with different graphs. Number one, obviously we can run Python codes for and so forth that I will teach you. Additionally, at the end of this course, I might teach you Orange as well, which is another software, the extension of Python, in which a non-coder also runs some data analysis using only drag and drop things. So right now, from the last 1 or 2 years, one more thing which is common is no-code softwares, right? So Orange is one of the no-code software which is. Does that help? Yeah. Okay. Let's wait for Matwa. Matwa, can you please switch on your webcam? Matwa. And Riyan, वो Excel वाला solve हो गया था कि अभी तक नहीं हुआ वो?
The Excel, I'm still doubtful. वो थोड़ा सा नहीं हो रहा.
वो कहाँ पे अटक रहे हो बच्चे वहाँ पे आप?
Sir, I was able to do max min, but not like conditional formatting. Like something above 6, I was able to highlight cells, but not. I was not able to like bring them together or count that way.
Riyan, can you do me a favor? Obviously, you have uploaded your
Right.
assignment. Have you uploaded the Excel file?
Yeah.
Yep. So, additionally, upload one more file in which you have any doubts related to Excel. I'll go through your assignment and I'll solve it first, then I'll get back to you. Will that work?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. Matwa, are you there, bache?
Yes, sir.
Can you switch on your cam?
Just a second.
And Matwa, while you are switching on your webcam, any doubts till now?
No, sir. But I just wanted to say one thing that I'll be submitting all the homework assignments in a couple of days because I have been having my exams. So and now they're about to end tomorrow.
Sure, no worries, no worries. Just give me a second. Huh? Okay, guys, I'm sharing my screen now. You guys can see my screen, right? Perfect. So we need to start with between, right? We have done till this point, generate dot map 6, right? We need to start with between function. So let's say I want to count the number of instances where my credit score lies between 300 to 400. How to do that? So we need to run this command. Since we need to count the number of instances or how many customers credit score lying between 300 400, what I need to do? np.count underscore non-zero. What is the variable? My variable is df credit score. I want the customers from credit scores between. Therefore, I'm writing dot between 300 to 400, 300, comma 400, lower limit, upper limit, comma inclusive equals to true, which means that between 300 to 400, including these two terms as well. Does it help? And as soon as you run this, you are getting your answer as 19. Is that so? Can you please run this command, Ryan?
Sir, I don't have the same data set open with me. I have some other data set.
Okay. So can you run this command on that particular dataset which you have opened?
Yes, I'm doing that only.
Sure.
Yes, sir, done. It's working.
Perfect. Can we move forward? Perfect. Now, how to see what is the largest and the smallest numbers in terms of, let's say I want to see last or n largest numbers. So in this case, the formula is df dot n largest. I want 5 largest number from this credit score. As soon as I run this command, it will show me 5 largest outcomes where my credit score is the highest. Obviously, 850 is the maximum credit score, right? Therefore, the Python has shown us 5 different 850s command. Let's say in this case, so my question, so when I was solving this, another thought came into my mind. I want to see how many customers are there whose credit score is equals to 850. So I've run this command np.count underscore non-zero df credit score equals to df credit score dot max, and it is giving me 233 customers have credit score which is equals to 850, and therefore if you are writing df n largest 5, so these are the top 5 entries. But let's say if you write instead of so we know that 233 is the highest number. If you write 240 here, so after 233 instances, rest 7 number will show you credit score which has 850, which is less than 850 score. Does that help? Yeah, Ryan, is that clear? Matwa clear? Perfect. Can we move forward now? Perfect. Similarly, for n smallest, all you need to do df dot n smallest. How many numbers do you want, or how many instances you want, and what is the variable that you want to get instances from. Yeah. Now, this group by function is very, very, very important for categorical variables. Now, what does function do? Let's see that. Now, I want to know, we know that in geography, there are 3 different variables known as France, Germany, and Spain. You all know that, right? But I want to know, if I see France, Germany, and Spain differently, can Python give me their mean values in terms of another variables? Let's see that. So df dot group by, I need the details on geography and I want the mean value of them. So the Python is showing me France, Germany, Spain. Now these are row number, credit score, average. These are the mean values. So for France, the mean value of credit score is 649. For Germany, the mean value of credit score is 651. And for Spain, the mean value of credit score is 651. Does that help? Similarly, if I talk about balance, for France, the mean balance is 62092. For Germany, it is 119730. And for Spain, it is 61818. So from these, I can say that on an average, Germany customer has the highest balance as compared to France and followed by Spain. Can we say that? And this is what you need to do with the data set. Sometimes we need to see different information, and therefore we are using all these functionalities. Let's say my next analysis is how many customers have exited. So here I can say that this is a average. This is a proportion basically. On an average, coming to France, around 16% customers have exited. For Spain, 16%, but for Germany, it is 32%. Can we say that? Yeah. And this is very important function. It is giving you each and everything. So instead of mean, if you let's say want to write variance, it will give you the variance coefficients. Does it help? Yep. Amazing. Now let's say I don't need information on row number, let's say on tenure, but I need only information on credit score, age, and balance. What formula I need to do or run? After this formula that we have used in earlier situation, I need to specify my variables for which I need the answer for. And here, now I know that if I compare credit score on an average, the lowest credit score goes to France. If I compare age, the lowest age goes to again France. If I see balance, the lowest balance or the highest balance goes to Germany. Can we say that? And this is on an average because we are using mean here, right? Perfect. Now the question is, here I have taken only geography. Can we take more than two variables in group by? The answer is yes. You can take as many as you want. But please remember that Python will see this is the index 0 and this is index 1 for Python, or this is the element 1 that you are putting, this is element 2 or variable 2 that you are putting. So Python will discriminate first with gender and then with geography. Let's see how or what Python result in this case would be. So Python will first discriminate on the basis of gender, therefore male and female. Then geography. So in female, we have France, Germany, Spain. And in male, we have France, Germany, Spain. Does that help? In this case, let's say I want to compare female of France with male of France. And let's say I want to compare the age group. So I know that female of France on an average has age of 38.77 and versus male of France has an age average 38.29. Can we say that? And similarly, you can do various data analysis from these table or using group by function or group by method. Does it help? Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone? Guys, please remember that this is the most important and most critical formula because it is giving you information based upon mean, variance, so on and so forth on categorical variable. Yeah. Okay. Let's say I have taken this as GG. Now, if I want what is the index of GG, I need to write GG.index. Now, in this case, it is showing me multiple index. First, it is female France. I can show you that. First, it is female France, then female Germany, then female Spain, then male France, male Germany, male Spain. So these are your different index. Does that help? And in the end, Python is showing you the first column is gender and the next column is geography. Can we move forward? Now let's say I need information of only males. I don't need information of females. What to do? In this case, there is another formula known as GG log male. As soon as you do this, now Python is only giving you information only for males, not for females. So here you can see the age is 3829. Here for male, the age is 3829. Yeah. Now, let's say I want to use GG log for male and France. I want information only for male and France. So here is my table. I want information only for male and France. Obviously, the Python will show what? Row number is this, credit score is this, age is this, so on and so forth. Therefore, if you look this table, the Python is showing row number is this, credit score is this, age is this, so on and so forth. Can we say that? Now, what is the problem here? Or what is the shortcoming of this GG log formula or log formula rather? Log formula is based upon index. So first we have used gender, then we have used geography. What if I need to use first geography and then gender? For that, we need to use one more different formula, which is known as cross-section formula or cross-section method. In this case, index does not matter at all. Let's say I want information GG XS cross section. Now, what is my key? Let's say my key is female. And what is the level? Level means what variable it is coming from, that is gender. Does that help? Now, in this case, Python will give me all the information related to female. Does that help? Can we move forward? Yeah. No, let's say now, since I said that index is not important, I am taking information of geography now. gg.xs, key is Spain, level is geography. Now Python is giving me information of only Spain. Obviously, this is Spain where we have females and males. Does that help? Good morning, Matwa. सोना नहीं है अभी खाने में क्या खाया था आर यू टाइपिंग बोलना भी नहीं है कुछ नहीं बताना क्या खाया था
Oh, I didn't understand the question.
Matwa, I am saying don't sleep, bache. Yeah. Okay. Any doubts, anyone till this point? Okay. Now,
So can you just tell what does XS do once again?
cross section.
Yeah.
So here I need to use two inputs. What information do you need? And it is in what variable? So what information I need? I need information on female. Therefore, key is my female. And female lies in what? Female lies in gender. Therefore, level is gender.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am using isIn formula here. Can we use isIn formula and get the same information? Let's see whether we are getting the same information or not. df geography dot isIn France and Spain. So I need information only for France and Spain. So what are we saying? We need information in geography, and in geography we need information on only France and Spain. Can we say that? Dot group by. So till this point, I have only decided to get the information only for France and Spain. Now I'm using group by, and in group by I'm using gender and geography. But for geography, what they are taking? They are taking only France and Spain. Can we say that? Yeah. Dot mean, if you run this, you are getting information only for France and Spain. Does that help? Yeah. Amazing. And this is the end of data analysis thing. After that, there is matplotlib, which is data visualization thing. Any doubts, anyone till this point? Okay. Now,
So can you just show the thing which is the name of the IPI and the Excel file? Like what's the name? Then I'll open the dataset, same dataset.
it's I think b.csv. I have
Okay,
uploaded
okay.
it, bache.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Now the most important information is only data visualization part is left. I have told you all the formulas that you will be using in data analysis part, right? Now, for the bank or CSV file, you need to interpret the data and comes out with the different conclusions. Obviously, conclusions may differ because how you are seeing the data is not necessarily that someone else will see the data with the same angle. Can we say that? Right? And hence the conclusion part is very important. So start working on your project work, and this is the final project work. Let's say. After that, obviously, you need to include graphs in that. And as soon as you submit this, I will grade this. And if your score is more than 60%, you will get a certificate from us. Does it help? Yeah. Any doubts, anyone? Perfecto. I will upload this video by tomorrow, and then we are meeting on 25th. And
Sir,
yep.
just confirm what do you do in the project exactly?
So, Matva, I have uploaded one CSV file, BCSV.
Yeah.
You need to do all the data analysis work on that.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do. Now the floor is open, right?
All right.
Obviously, I have told you each and every formula, each and every method, but how to apply that, how to analyze things, that is up to you. And after that, if you want, I can do one thing. Let's do one thing. As soon as you submit your project work, I will take one more class so that you can present your work. And on the basis of your presentation, I will give you marks. Does that help? Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect, guys.
So we only have to use like the formula that you have given?
No, you can use any formulas, but I have given you enough formulas so that you can analyze the data. But you can use anything,
Okay.
right? But I have, so if you're using more formulas, that is a plus point. But if you don't know how to use different or more formulas, that is also fine because I have touched upon each and every formula which is required for data analysis thing.
Right, sir.
Yeah, that will be not a problem. Yeah. Perfect, guys. Please keep smiling, keep laughing, and we are meeting on 25th. And I'm guessing 25th will be our last class. If not, then we need to take one more extra class for data visualization. After that, I would like to take one more class on Orange, and that class will be not more than 10 to 15 minutes. But you need to download Orange. All you need to do, go to Orange website, and let me show you that. Just give me a second. Guys, can you please make sure that you have this link so that you can download it. Please download the Orange on your computer and then we can analyze it. Additionally, you can install Orange from your Python Anaconda thing, but don't do that. Don't do that. It will take a lot of time, right? Have you copy pasted the link? Perfect. So Orange will give you very brief and how to do data analysis in few seconds. Can I show you that? जल्दी से दिखाऊं एक बार फटाफट. So obviously I will tell you how to do that, but so this is the same data file. If I go to distribution thing, now not distribution, feature statistic. Now can you see this? The row number is this. For credit score is normally distributed. Can you see that? Now we can see all these information within within a maybe 2 or 3 seconds. This is just drag and drop. That is no code software. This is, yeah. For let's say age, the age is slightly right skewed, slightly, right? For balance, if I remove this, it is again normal distribution. So likewise, we can analyze all the graphs very easily. Does it help? Yeah. And what does red and blue thing here? Red is for number of customers who have exited. Blue is for the number of customers who have not exited yet. Does that help? So this is a 2-minute discussion on Orange, but I will take around 10 to 15 minutes class, so that those who don't know how to use codes can use Orange to analyze data. Does it help? So in this course, you are not learning only Python or Jupyter Notebook, but you are also learning Orange, which is a new software, newer as compared to Python Jupyter Notebook. Have fun,
Sir,
guys. Take care. Yeah, yeah.
we get a certificate only after getting 60%.
Yeah, minimum 60% is required.
Acha, and that's the certificate of excellence or participation.
Certificate of participation, but if you need, if you want me to enter the score, I can do that as well.
Okay,
I have no problem with that too. Yeah,
fine.
perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys. Bye.